What is resilience? Resilience is it is the capacity of material to absorb the energy when it is deformed elastically and then upon the unloading to have this energy recovered. What does it mean? It's similar to that of, I mean, they are how they are regaining their shape. It means whenever you deform the body store the energy in itself. Okay, and if we talk, if we if you have understood what I have already told you, then you can have an idea. When you are deforming the body, the body is basically storing the energy in itself, right? So and when up to elastic, what will happen if it is up to elastic limit? It means up to elastic limit when how much the energy has stored in the body, that will dissipate, they will release from the body, and it will regain their shape, right? So this is the sense about the resilience. So resilience is the energy up to elastic limit. I mean, though you could have the energy, if you are further deforming the body till the fracture, the body will store the energy in itself, right? In the form of deformation, in the form of strain energy. But up to elastic limit, whatever the energy that has been stored due to the deformation inside the body is known as your resilience. This is the formula for calculating the resilience value, which is one of the, I mean, how you can relate the resilience. It is the value of strain energy. So strain energy you can calculate like this: one of a half strain and sorry, stress and strain. I mean, where up to elastic limit, you draw the elastic limit point, and corresponding to that, you just find the value of stress and strain, and just divide the one by two. You would have your strain energy, and that energy. I mean, you can calculate the strain energy anywhere. Suppose you are concerned about at that particular point, or you're concerned about this fracture point. Okay, now you need to calculate what, I mean, how much energy has been stored in the material. And how you can draw? You simply pick the point and take the corresponding value. This is your stress point, or this is your strain point. Now pick the value and just multiply these two things and divide by 2. Your strain energy will calculate it. But if we talk about the resilience is just up to here. So what you need to know, you just need to draw here and here, and you can calculate the value of stress on this parameter and strain on this line, and then you can multiply it with each other and then divide by 2. You would have the strain energy. So this is the basically idea of calculating the strain energy. But if the strain energy is calculated up to elastic limit, that is known as your resilience.